Well, hello there, Soaring Eagle fans. This is actually a little bit of a sad story and also a story of remembering and how can I say that? It's also wise to do the federal government safety boating course, and on Soaring Eagle we would highly recommend that to everybody. So what happened in the lower valley of British Columbia here near Vancouver Richmond Airport, where a boat sunk and up to 10 people or so aboard. 6 of them lost their lives, 4 of them just barely made it, hung on to rescue because a sailboat went by and rescued them. And it's been noted that very few people, or none of them, were actually wearing life jackets. So why it kind of rings a bell with me, I had just finished the course online, the BC, no, not the BC, the it's called the My Boat. There it says congratulations, the My Boat boating course online, and just got my 2 cards that I paid for, and we'll blot out the names on there later or whatever, because you don't all need to see my full name and content there. But I had just taken this course online on the computer. It's about a 4-hour course that you do online, and it switches you over to a BC government course. But the My Boat card is definitely a valuable asset. So anyway, the night before the incident that I picked up online, where a whole bunch of people had actually lost their lives, it was the following morning, and I had just completed that course the night before. And hearing that none of them had been wearing life jackets, the biggest thing that they tell you in this course: wear your life jacket. Up to 60% of boating fatalities could have been saved if they were wearing a life jacket. Now, what they talk about is alcohol consumption while you're boating as well. 30-40% of fatalities on water by boat accidents is from drinking and boating, not drinking and driving, but drinking and boating, or operating and driving a boat. So anyway, number 1, wear your life jackets. Soaring Eagle highly recommends that, and especially since it was just so new to me when I had just finished the course, and they over and over stress, wear your life jacket, at least have it at finger's reach. But when you have 10 people clamoring for a life jacket when a boat is going down quickly, probably nobody's going to get a lifesaver on. And in the frigid waters that is off the shore of Vancouver, kind of hung true that hypothermia sets in rather quickly. So kudos to the couple that was going by on a sailboat and rescued the people that they could. And hear that there's 4 survivors. 2 of them were kind of in serious conditions. I don't know what the status is right now, but nonetheless, this is just a quick little short video and update. I'm going to leave a link down below to take that boating course, and pay attention when it says wear a life jacket. I know, like, maybe it doesn't look cosmetically beautiful when you're trying to get a suntan out in the water and all those different aspects of why you're not wearing a life jacket, but you know what, if it's your family lost, and you might kind of look back and thought, man, I wish my family would have wore a life jacket. So wear a life jacket. Adios.